Alright guys, this video is a request from you guys. In my previous video I talked about how you can get 30 free Tidal days, and now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use these Tidal days to enjoy free unlimited internet on MTN. Disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Let's go into it right away. Now, if you did not watch my previous video, you need to know how to get the 30 Tidal days. So you click this code here. So after dialing the code, you select option number 1, get free trial. This is when you have never joined Tidal, and here you comment number 1. So you will get 30 free Tidal days. Now if you have ever joined Tidal, you won't get anything. Now you need to buy Tidal days, but in order to buy Tidal days, you need to first join MTN Pulse. This will help you get cheaper bundles of Tidal days. So here you click option number 1 and join MTN Pulse. Now after, you go back and buy Tidal days. So here you select option number 5, and here you will be able to buy cheaper bundles of Tidal days. Now let's go into the goal of the video. Now guys, all I need you to do before we do anything is to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for the support you've been giving me lately, but there is more effort needed. I want you to first subscribe, like this video. Let's go into it. Now, the thing you're going to use to get this unlimited internet is an app called Napsanet V. It's an app available on Play Store and App Store for those of you who use iOS. Android on Play Store. So it's called Napsanet V right here. Let me open it because I have it installed on my phone. Guys, go get this app from Play Store. Now, once it's opened, you're going to click on this button here. And here they will bring configs. So we need to import a file, a configuration file. So you select plus and you select import configuration file. The first one here. So they will take you to your phone folders. So guys, don't worry about the file. I'm going to be sending you the files. All you need to do is to comment down below your WhatsApp numbers. So I need you to comment your WhatsApp numbers. I will send you the files via your WhatsApp. So here you go into your WhatsApp folder. So you go into your WhatsApp folder and you go into those documents. So the file I'm going to select is called Bexy. Now I click on this file called Bexy to import it. So as you can see, they have said importing config file successfully. Now once it's imported, you click on it and you click this back button. So the next thing is to put your data connection on for MTN. And the next thing is to connect the app. You click this button right here. So guys, this trick is verified and okay to use. It is really okay to use. First, you'll enjoy it. So let's give it some small time to connect. It has connected, and here you can click start to check whether there is some data flow. So as you can see, there is data flow. It's seeming to be really fast. Go on YouTube and check it out, how it performs. That's normally how I test my tricks. So guys, like I told you, if you need the file and you need this to use this trick, I want you to just comment your WhatsApp numbers down below in the comment section. I'll send you these files. We are opening YouTube.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Dropout. I'm Danny. Today we are at Arizona State University, and I'm going to be asking guys, will you pretend to be my boyfriend?
As you can see guys, YouTube is working perfectly. If you go and check out TikTok, it will be the same story. Everything works. So thank you for watching my video. Before you leave, subscribe to this video, comment where you don't understand, and like this video so that it can get more views. Bow.